Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best countertop water dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brio self-cleaning hot, cold and cool water. The main priority with this water dispenser is safety, and this is the reason it has been equipped with a child safety lock. This will, therefore, make sure that your kid does not accidentally press the hot water button. The reservoirs for hot and cold water are made with quality stainless steel material to protect the purity of water and taste for a long time. The dispense points for this water cooler will allow you to easily refill the water bottles. You will also appreciate that it comes with an empty bottle indicator telling you when the time for refilling comes. With only a touch of a button, this dispenser will effectively clean itself. Its innovative design will bring an elegant look to your office or home. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Primo bottom loading water dispenser. In the 6th position in this review, you will be able to enjoy your water at 3 different temperatures. It is very easy to use since you will only be required to press a button. What's more, it comes with a child safety lock function to prevent kids from pressing its hot water button accidentally. Its stainless steel construction, on the other hand, will ensure that it serves you for the longest period possible. You will appreciate the bottom loading design for this dispenser that eliminates the need to lift it when loading. With this dispenser, the bottles will be concealed in there, giving it a very clean look. The fact that this dispenser is UL certified and ENERGY STAR rated means that this product is completely reliable. What's more, it comes with a limited warranty of 1 year from the manufacturer. At number 3, we have the Avalon Premium Loading Countertop Cooler Water Dispenser. Countertop Water Dispenser is equipped with both hot and cold water spouts, allowing you to choose your preferred water temperature. It is therefore ideal for cooling refreshments and toasty beverages. The manufacturer has provided a detailed user manual to make sure that you can do installation and troubleshooting on your own. This dispenser comes in a top-loading design, allowing you to easily spot when the dispenser is about to run out of water. Since this dispenser provides you with instant hot water, you will save your time. Its stylish and slim design will make sure that your room does not look clumsy. If you are having inadequate space, this dispenser will be the ideal pick. At number 2, we have the hOmeLabs Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. It has now become very easy to hydrate yourself with this bottom loading water dispenser. With this machine, you will only be needed to load your water bottle in the dispenser door and you will be good to go. The stylish water cooler has a stainless steel door that adds a modern touch in your office or home. It also comes in a compact and stylish design to ensure that it fits any space. Another convenient feature about this dispenser is that it comes with an LED light so that you hydrate yourself during the night conveniently. You will also appreciate that it comes with an intuitive control panel to make it as user-friendly as possible. Its child safety lock function will protect your kids against accidental pressing of the hot water button. What's more, it comes with a warranty of 2 years. And finally, at number 1, we have the NutriChef Water Cooler, Hot and Cold Water. This water cooler gives you the convenience of selecting between hot and cold water. If you are therefore looking to cool your refreshments and some toasty beverages, this cooler will be the best pick. The cold temperatures will range between 40 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, while the hot water temperature will range between 170 and 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a tabletop water dispenser that operates with automatic plug-in, making it very easy to cool the water. You will also enjoy the ultra-quiet operation for this dispenser. The countertop water dispenser can accommodate up to a 5-gallon bottle in order to save you several water bottles annually. Another convenient feature for this water dispenser is that it will work well both at home and office. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.